The HTC Vive Pro, which comes in this blue design as opposed to the original Vive in black, adds in many improvements from the original Vive headset, giving not only an enhanced VR experience but also a better thought through design, resulting in a slicker look and a more comfortable and secure fit. The headline feature has got to be the improved resolution of 2880 by 1600 versus the previous model's 2160 by 1200. That's a pixel increase of 78%, so a big improvement. And the dual OLED VR panels on the Vive have been upgraded to AMOLED on the Pro. From the front, the Vive Pro's design is noticeably different. It adds in dual cameras rather than the singular central lens on the original Vive, which could have some interesting uses in the future. Audio has been improved too, with the inclusion of these inbuilt high-res certificate headphones, which are also detachable if you did have other earphones you'd rather use. It also has handy volume controls on the rear of the left ear cup. In terms of fit, it still has the strap over the head and adds in a dial on the back to adjust the size, which for me is a really welcome feature. There's also much more padding to make it more comfortable and better cable management. It should work better for people with glasses too. The nose piece is also different, using a softer material, and also comes in two parts rather than one, allowing more flexibility to fit your face shape. It's worth noting though that the Vive Pro comes as a standalone headset without the controllers and base station, so it's mainly aimed at existing Vive owners who already have these, or you can of course purchase an accessories pack separately. For optimum results, HTC recommend NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070, Quadro P500 or AMD Radeon Vega 56 graphics cards or higher for the Vive Pro. So let's get it in action to see how all these improvements add up. Woo! So, time for the big verdict. Now I've had the chance to try out the Vive Pro, the first thing I'd comment on is the comfort. All this extra padding that they've put in and the improved design on the nose pad really makes a huge difference. After a little while, I barely remembered that I had the headset on. I felt totally immersed in the game as a result. Beforehand, I used to find the Vive a little bit front heavy, but this is kind of more evenly distributed now with the weight. The size adjuster here, this dial on the back, is fantastic. It makes for a really comfortable fit. Again, with the previous Vive, though it did feel nice when it was on, after time I did feel quite aware of it. It felt like it was kind of moving. This is really tight, really secure, so big thumbs up for that. Of course, the resolution, which is much improved, it just added that extra level of immersion, and the inbuilt audio as well really added to that. In fact, at times I believe I was very noisy when I was playing the game because I completely forgot that I was in the showroom here at Scan. I got totally involved in the game. That extra level of immersion was amazing.
It feels a lot more sturdier when it's on your head and when you're in gameplay. The resolution of the screen is a lot better, things are a lot clearer, things such as writing, you can read it a lot clearer, and obviously for people like me who have glasses, it's a lot easier to fit to your head. You simply just undo the straps, put it on and put it over your glasses, and then once it's over your glasses then you tighten it up, rather than the old Vive where you'd have to literally pull it out and then put it back on, which can be quite awkward, especially if you're solo gameplaying.
So this is the first time of me using the Vive Pro. I actually only used the original Vive one time, but I feel this is a lot better than the original. It feels a lot more comfortable, and it feels like a different machine with the headphones on. So yeah, the sound and the vision really do go well together.
So thumbs up for this. All in all, it's taken what was already a fantastic headset and just taken it to that next level. Really nice design, really well thought through, and yeah, it's a fantastic headset for people that are really interested in VR and want to take it to the next level. And you can get yours now, of course, at scan.co.uk.